Struggling to get 1,000 subscribers, it might be look easy to some of the people. But getting 4,000 watch hours is something which you cannot even start talking, because it needs you. It needs your effort to get this 4,000 watch hour. You can use short video from other platforms, mostly Instagram, for you to get 1,000 subscribers. But remember, getting 4,000 watch hour, you will not get from that short you are getting from Instagram and post in your channel. And for you to start gaining 4,000 watch hour from your videos, what you need to do, when you upload your long video, because what I'm going to show you, it's going to help you to get watch hour from your short form video through your long form video. After uploading your long form video, give it like 2 days for YouTube to push your video to the right audience to watch it. We are going to use our long form video to get short form video so that we can improve our 4,000 watch hour. And if you don't know how to convert short video from your long form video, this is the time I am going to show you how to convert it and post as a short. And this short, it's going to give you subscribers, and also it's going to give you watch hour. Stay tuned so that I can show you how to convert short form video from long form videos. Just click one of your video and then come here and click remix, and it will bring you here edit into short. So this is our video. We want to get short video from this our long form video. Now we can choose when you want 15 seconds or 60 seconds according to you. Because this is just an example, let us go with the 15 seconds. From your video, you can choose anywhere you want to make your short video. And for us today, let us click just this part for 15 seconds. Click here, done. This is our short video from our long form video. And what you need to do, you can add there, you can write there anything, you can add there anything you want to write according to your title, or according to how you want your according to your title. How to get views from rich countries, just like that. Just make it to be one sentence, just to be short like that, and click here. And remember, you can change here any color you want. You can use this to change any color you want, but for me, I like using this one. Or for me, I like using this one. Then click done. And for this, you can move it to anywhere you want. You can put anywhere you want. You see, you can just put anywhere you want. Let us put here for today. And after that, just click done. So just click done and add your title, add your caption. We can use the same word we use to write in that video. How to get views. Let's just write how to get views. After that, you can put there any hashtag you want. You need to put the hashtag according to your video. So let us put like YouTube growth. Don't put a lot of hashtags. YouTube short, you see, let me tell you, choose that one you see that is viral. You see 161M, 35M YouTuber, YouTube short 28M. Why can't we come and choose this YouTube short? Don't put a lot of hashtags. After that, let's come down here. Because this short, we make it from our long form video. If we want people to watch that our long form video, scroll down here and come here, related video. We need to add there our video so that when someone click to that one, he will go direct and watch that your long form videos. This is our long form video. You see now how to get views from rich country. I hope you are understanding, and this thing is going to help you to get a watch hour. And this video is not made for kids complete. And remember, our video, it was on unlisted. So if you want your video to be public and people start watching, please just come here and click public. And that is it. People, they will start watching your video. You will get watcher from your short form video. You will get subscribers from your short form video, and you will get watcher from your short form video.